Oh, the Alps, a name that conjures images of towering peaks, pristine snow, and endless adventure. A symphony of stone and sky where the earth reaches up to touch the heavens. They beckon adventurers and dreamers alike, offering a playground for the bold and a sanctuary for the soul. Towering peaks pierce the clouds, standing as sentinels of time and nature's raw power. These majestic mountains, a tapestry of nature's artistry, stretch across Europe, weaving through countries and cultures. Switzerland, France, Italy, Austria, and more, all touched by their magic, each region offering its unique charm and beauty. From the Matterhorn's iconic peak, a symbol of strength and endurance, to the rolling foothills that cradle quaint villages, the Alps captivate the soul. Why this allure? Perhaps it's the raw power of nature on display, a reminder of the Earth's untamed spirit, or the echo of ancient glaciers, carving these landscapes over millennia, leaving behind a legacy of ice and rock. Whatever the reason, the Alps call us to experience their grandeur, to lose ourselves in their vastness, and find a deeper connection to the world around us. And what better way to witness their splendor than through the eye of a drone? So let's take flight and let technology bring us closer to nature's wonders. Let the drone be our guide as we explore the heart of the Alps, soaring over peaks and valleys, uncovering the secrets of this majestic range. Join us on this journey and let the adventure begin. Imagine this. You're holding the drone controller. Your heart races with anticipation. The drone ascends, a silent guardian angel taking flight. Below, the world shrinks, tiny villages dot the landscape. Winding roads snake through valleys like silver ribbons tossed carelessly upon green velvet. And then you see them. The peaks, majestic and imposing, their snow-capped summits gleam in the sunlight. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding secrets whispered on the wind. The drone hovers, capturing the breathtaking panorama. You feel a sense of awe, of insignificance, in the face of such grandeur. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. As the drone descends, we're drawn into the valleys. These emerald carpets nestled between towering peaks are a testament to life's resilience. Here, amidst the rugged terrain, life flourishes. Lush meadows dotted with wildflowers paint the landscape in vibrant hues. Crystal-clear streams fed by glacial meltwater meander through the valleys, their music a soothing balm to the soul. Quaint villages with their charming chalets and cobblestone streets cling to the slopes. Life here is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. Farmers tend to their livestock. Children's laughter echoes through the air. The drone captures these moments, weaving a tapestry of life in the Alps. No exploration of the Alps is complete without a glimpse of its serene lakes. These bodies of water are more than just picturesque. They are the lifeblood of the region, providing sustenance and beauty in equal measure. Each lake tells a story, a tale of geological wonder and natural splendor that has been crafted over millennia. These shimmering jewels, nestled in the valleys, reflect the sky like fragments of heaven. The way the light dances on the surface, creating a mirror image of the sky above, is nothing short of magical. It's as if the heavens themselves have descended to touch the earth, creating a seamless blend of sky and water. Their waters, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise, emerald, and azure, are so clear you can see the bottom, even at considerable depths. The clarity of these lakes is a testament to the purity of the environment, untouched and unspoiled by human hands. It's a rare sight in today's world, a glimpse into a time when nature reigned supreme. Imagine this. You're standing on the shore. The mountains rise majestically around you, their peaks dusted with snow even in the height of summer. The tranquility of the scene is almost overwhelming, a perfect antidote to the hustle and bustle of modern life. The air is crisp and clean. Each breath you take feels like a rejuvenating elixir, filling your lungs with the essence of the mountains. It's a sensation that can only be experienced in places where nature is still in control, where the air is free from the pollutants of urban life. The sun, a warm caress on your skin. Its rays filter through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the ground. The warmth is gentle, not overpowering, just enough to remind you of the life-giving power of the sun. It's a moment of pure bliss, a connection to the natural world that is all too rare. You take a deep breath, filling your lungs with the sweet scent of pine and wildflowers. The fragrance is intoxicating, a blend of earthy pine and delicate floral notes that linger in the air. It's a sensory experience that grounds you, reminding you of the simple pleasures of life. The drone, hovering above the lake, captures the reflection of the sky, the mountains, and you, a fleeting moment frozen in time. This perspective offers a unique view, one that highlights the interconnectedness of all elements in this serene landscape. It's a reminder that in the grand tapestry of nature, every thread is important, every moment precious. Section 5. A Day in the Alps, Embracing the Rhythm. Life in the Alps is about embracing the rhythm of nature. It's about waking up to the sound of cowbells in the distance, stepping outside your chalet, breathing in the crisp mountain air, and watching as the sun paints the peaks in hues of pink and gold. Days are spent exploring the mountains, hiking through forests, or simply relaxing by the lake. Evenings are for gathering with the loved ones, sharing stories and savoring hearty meals. The drone, a silent observer, captures the essence of alpine life, simple yet profoundly beautiful. Section 6. Winter's Embrace, a playground of ice and snow. As winter descends, the Alps transform into a magical wonderland. Snow blankets the peaks, valleys and villages, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Frozen lakes become shimmering ice rinks. The air, crisp and invigorating, is filled with the sound of laughter and the swish of skis. Imagine yourself here. You're bundled up in warm clothes, the crunch of snow beneath your boots. You lace up your skates and glide across the ice, the wind whispering in your ears. The drone soaring above captures the joy and exhilaration of winter in the Alps. Section 7. The Heart of the Alps, Warmth in Every Home. Despite the rugged terrain and harsh winters, life in the Alps is filled with warmth. The snow-covered villages, nestled in the heart of the mountains, exude a charm that is both timeless and enchanting. Each home, with its unique architecture, tells a story of tradition and heritage. Traditional wooden chalets, with their sloping roofs and flower-filled balconies, dot the landscape. These homes are not just structures, they are a reflection of the alpine way of life. The intricate woodwork and vibrant flowers add a touch of beauty to the rugged surroundings, creating a picturesque scene that is straight out of a fairy tale. These homes, built to withstand the elements, are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the alpine people. The thick wooden walls and sturdy roofs are designed to endure the harshest of winters, ensuring that the inhabitants remain safe and warm. It's a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Inside, flickering fireplaces cast a warm glow, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. The crackling of the firewood and the soft light create a sense of comfort and security, making these homes a haven from the cold outside. It's a place where one can relax and unwind after a long day in the snow. The aroma of freshly baked bread and hot chocolate fills the air. These simple pleasures are a staple in alpine homes, bringing a sense of warmth and homeliness. The kitchens, often the heart of the home, are filled with the sounds and smells of delicious food being prepared, adding to the overall sense of coziness. Families gather around tables, sharing stories and laughter. These moments of togetherness are cherished as they strengthen the bonds between family members and create lasting memories. The simple act of sharing a meal becomes a celebration of life and love. These are the moments that define the heart of the Alps, a sense of community, of belonging, of finding joy in the simple things. The people of the Alps have a deep connection to their land and to each other, and it is this connection that brings warmth to every home, whether it's a community gathering or a quiet evening by the fire. The spirit of the Alps is alive in every moment. Section 8. Preserving Paradise, a Legacy for Generations. The beauty of the Alps is a precious gift, one that must be cherished and protected. Local communities are committed to sustainable tourism, ensuring that future generations can experience the magic of these mountains. From promoting eco-friendly transportation to preserving traditional farming practices, every effort is made to minimize the impact on the environment. The drone, a powerful tool for conservation, can monitor the health of the mountains, track wildlife populations, and raise awareness about the importance of protecting this pristine wilderness. Section 9. The unfading allure of the Alps. As our drone journey comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. The Alps, with their towering peaks, verdant valleys, serene lakes, and warm hospitality, have captivated our hearts. The memories we've created, the stories we've witnessed, will stay with us long after we've returned home. The Alps, a testament to the raw power and exquisite beauty of nature, remind us to slow down, appreciate the simple things, and cherish the moments that truly matter. So, until our next adventure, let us carry the spirit of the Alps within our hearts.